Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
We've gone through a few if-else statements, but now it's finally time to learn how they actually work. You know about comparison operators and logical operators, but you don't know quite how to use them, and we're going to cover this. How it works is that we have an open and close tag, just like all JavaScript goes between our script tag unless in an external file. In an external file, we don't use the script tags. Then we have a variable declaration. We just wrote color is equal to blue. Then for our if statement, we have if, parentheses, brackets, color is equals to blue. Then it's going to execute our code. But first, after our parentheses, we have to have an open curly bracket and a closed curly bracket. Right now, I'm going to tell you that those curly brackets are absolutely mandatory, so get used to using them. Case sensitivity, remember? JavaScript is case sensitive, so an if statement with capital letters is not the same as an if statement with lowercase letters. All if statements are lowercase. An if statement is how the language asks if something is true. JavaScript will always look for the true statements. If what you ask becomes false, it will skip your if statement and move on to the next step. As an example, we have variable year is equal to 2013. If year is equals to, so if year is equals to 2013, it's going to execute our code that we write in here. And that's because this is true. We declared this, we checked it, the check turned out to be correct, as long as it's 100% true. So in this case, it can't be half true, half wrong, however you want to say it. This is true, so our code will run. Now that's unless you specify an OR statement. We'll touch on this in a sec. As a larger example, we have two variables here. We have year is equal to 2013, that's same as above. And then we have car is equal to Audi. So if year is equal to 2013 and, that's a logical operator, car is equal to Audi, then our code in here will be executed. Both of these have to be true because we use the AND operator. So is year 2013? Yes, it is. Is car Audi? Yes, it is. Basically, what we ask is 2013 from up here and Audi from here. So if both of these match up, then it's true, and this code will execute. Next, if we tried year is equal to 2013 and car is equal to Benz, then it should run our code. But it's not going to run our code because what we said with the AND operator is that both comparisons have to be true. Well, year is equal to 2013, so that's true, we know that. But is car equal to Benz? No, it's not. Car is equal to Audi. So this is only half right because this one is right, and the second comparison is wrong. So 1 out of 2 is 50%. JavaScript needs 100% to run. So it's not going to run this. The third example we have here is year is equal to 2013 again. Or, instead of using AND, we're using OR. Car is equal to Lambo. So as long as one of these is true, then our code will execute. Well, is year equal to 2013? Yes. Is car equal to Lambo? No. Car is equal to Audi. So this will still run because 1 out of the 2 is correct. And this is the only exception. If we use an OR statement, then JavaScript does not look for a 100% match or an answer that has to be 100% true. It's just looking for one of the two. If we had another one in here, variable is equal to 123, then it's looking for a 33.3% match. Or 1 out of 3 of these has to be true. If any of the 3 are true, then our code will run. If all 3 of them are wrong, our code will not run. And just one last example. If year is not equal to 2012 or car is equal to Audi, then we want it to run in here. We asked if year is not 2012, which it isn't. We set the year to be 2013. Basically what this is asking is year any other number except for 2012? Well, yes, it is. It is a different number than 2012. What we asked was, is 2013 not equal to 2012? No, they're not the same.